Taylor Walmart from the Taylor Library.
1/4 mile. Turn left on North Main Street.
Oh. Yep. Ooh. Yeah, the gut. I gotta take it easy. Walked around this area a little bit. I get the feeling that some really nasty crimes.
On North Main Street.
The crimes may not happen too often, but when they do, they're pretty bad. I don't know, it just seems like an area that will get hit by nasty crime, but it's mostly in between peaceful. I got stared at pretty good by some white guys. Stared at pretty good, like they're watching me, like something, like they know nasty things happen here.
1/4 miles. Turn left.
I don't have to ask them what the crime is like. It's 40? Okay. Yeah, this is a straight shot to Walmart. In Taylor, historic Taylor, at 40 miles an hour. They got a pretty nice looking park. Somewhere to hang out that's spacious. A spacious area. Oh, all right. $2.03 for gas at 76.
1 mile. Turn left.
Yeah. Yeah, I took a nap today. I don't think I'm gonna be having coffee or tea for a while. Caffeine doesn't seem like it's very good for my gut right now. I want to put all the energy focus on my gut. Caffeine will take that focus away. I shouldn't have been consuming caffeine every day anyway. Just have to accept more tiredness. Yeah, they got some franchise. Beals, Harbor Freight. Big franchises on the right. Somewhat big. Alley. Not too busy. Not too. Oh, you always have me drive past Walmart. Oh, this time I shouldn't. Okay, alley is like right around here. I can't tell. That was it. Oh my God.
Turn left.
Yeah, I should be able to turn here. Not too busy. This is nice. There's an HEB. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, that's not too bad.
End of the street. Turn left.
Okay, yeah, I could see the Walmart. I don't need you to tell me where to go. Oh, all right. So this is the garden center side. That is favorable. Home and pharmacy, yes. Yeah, I just parked next to this car. I don't know. Seems good to me. Oh. It's really something how much in Cascara Sagrada. Oh my god, I can't remember the name of the city. Corpus Christi. It's really amazing in Corpus Christi how a smell developed from of wet dog so strongly, so very strong, with all that moisture and humidity. And I thought that was going to be like total ruin. I thought I was going to lose a lot of stuff. I thought I was going to have this terrible smell for a long time, but then it started to dry up, and I really didn't have to throw anything away. I did develop the dog smell, but it went away. The mold smell, the mold issues went away. So that was quite an event. Corpus Christi, that time frame is just, I mean, the fog was very thick at the time. If it continued, things would have gotten worse, but it didn't continue, so things improved. And so today my car is free of that dog smell. The shelves of Walmart would look like a third world country if they pulled all the foods that had sugar extracts as part of the ingredients. Yeah, I'm not too confident I'll find anywhere that's got good privacy. Was this broken into? That's strange. For what, the dentist office? I mean, there's this sports complex. It's across the street from Walmart, but it's a Sunday, and that means that there's a good chance that suddenly people will just start showing up and ready for a big game of some kind at the sports complex. I don't even see where the access is to drive in. Alright, well, walking this way, it looks like it's empty in the parking lot area. But it could fill up very quickly. Can't even pull in from the Holiday Inn. They got that blocked. It might be blocked at the entrance, wherever that is, as well. These sports complexes are hard to tell. They're not just a regular park. Yeah, it looks really nice and empty right now. I mean, you can't walk into the softball park. They got everything all locked down, not just the softball field, just walking around. But it's no telling what could happen. It's not really going to rain today. It's a Sunday. People could just show up. But I mean, it shouldn't be too bad, because I just want to cook, and I think that's a little more acceptable. So this area might get pretty busy when they got this. They don't want people bicycling against traffic. You find that in the big cities, the big busy cities. So this is the turn-in for the park that I like, the sports complex. They also have a park access only this way, and it looks like they got an adult workout center and next to like a small children's workout area. I don't really see a parking lot, and there's some complex over here. Doesn't really have a fence around it. It looks like governmental. Maybe it's for a school. Yeah, it's kind of an adult. It's intermediate adult kids, and then this is the only kids thing they got. It's kind of interesting how they decided that this is something good to put up It's always nice to have a bar to be able to pull against. They need more like that, more like this kind of stuff. Even just a simple pull-up bar. What a surprise! I feel slightly less dizzy from just hanging on the bar for a few seconds. What a surprise. I'm pretty confident that nobody will turn down that dead-end road with the workout area. It's a little further away from, say, bathrooms, for example, and any activity. And I like that. They're growing cotton here? Wow. This is a cotton field? It looks more, I thought it was a cornfield. Maybe cotton is for somewhere else. Alright, so I'm going to an almost perfect exercise and cooking spot that's isolated. No bathrooms. Not too far away from the Walmart. But I will want to keep the bicycle unlocked, ready for any kind of crazy run. Yeah, I think I'll just park out there all day. I got HEB, got Walmart down the road from it. I walked over. Now I'll drive over and then park all day, come back at night. Something like that. Oh God, what's... Okay. Alright. Down to the stoplights, check into the Holiday Inn for a night. Oh yeah, this is probably as close to a Holiday Inn as I'll get. I just don't believe anybody will park next to that exercise area. Maybe people make a lot of use of it. I don't know. Vintage sale today and tomorrow. So I could walk over to this expo center, check out that vintage sale. That might be interesting. It's today and, well, it's yesterday and today. So this is the park. I'm not going to take that right to the sports complex. This is park access only. I don't know what that means exactly, but I think I could get away with parking on the side of the road. Yeah, people have driven, I didn't notice before, people drive right around the gate. Yeah, I think I could park partly in the grass and be pretty fine. It's pretty tough grass. Be mostly off the road. On a dead end road of all places. Alright. So I'm slowly getting some twine on the handles for my 45 pound. Make it more enjoyable. This is actually the one that has the really sharp end. There's actually one, I saw two different ones at a Walmart. One didn't have the sharp end, but that wasn't the time I really wanted to get one. Now I got one, and I chose the sharp end one, but I think I can overcome that with twine. So now I'm getting into more pan cooking, toasting, and roasting potato wedges. A little undercooked, but that's okay. Getting away from boiling for the taste. Maybe that'll help my gut too. Maybe I need that variety, not boil potatoes all the time. Cut them up and pan roast them. Alright, I was a little more successful with popcorn without the oil. I just stirred a lot with this, and then when they started going nuts, put the lid on, and then I let it slide. I just slid it on top to keep that contact with the flame. Most of them, 90% of them are popped. A little more successful. I guess you could say the reason why I was fine with sliding it on the top is because I got a good stable base. That's part of the reason why I was too scared to do it before, last time I experimented. Cooking can take up a lot of your day for just yourself if you wanted to toast everything. I think I put a little water in here. I want them to cook a little bit, and then I'll let them get to the toast part, and then put them in with yogurt. This is kind of an experiment, but I mean, this is a bit of a time-consuming process. All right, in one way, I don't like that it takes so long when I get it wet. Put a little water in there, and it took a lot longer, but cook it a little bit, and it does have more time to caramelize. So I've got it. I put water, just a little bit of water in, cooked it down, then got to the toasting part. This is very delicious muesli. It's much more delicious than eating it straight from the bag. And then also here at the end of this road where I've been hanging out all day, this is like a grackle camp. They don't hang out here all day, but I wonder if they're going to be planning on hanging out here overnight. Is this their spot? So I definitely know there's HEB, and I don't think I could pick this up. I don't think those are grackles in there, but they're splashing water all over the place. It's just high enough water for them. It's been such a long time since I found a good spot to stretch out. I can't even get near my toe with my legs straight. This is it. On my left leg is much less flexible than my right leg. I can kind of more touch my toe. I've just been not able to find a spot, any spot. So I not only have a strength imbalance, but I got a serious flexibility imbalance too. I don't know exactly how it developed. I can touch my toe on my right leg, but I can't get near it on my left. It's a big difference from months and months of not stretching out. So the grackles were replaced by these little birds. These little birds are bathing in the water I recorded earlier, and then they like all swooped up and freaked the grackles out. So now all you hear are these birds. I don't know where the grackles went.